Beautiful. Stephen Gilbert RC here, long time no see. First, I would like to apologize to anybody that subscribed to me. Sorry I haven't made a decent, good video in a while. I know our drones are kind of not a thing anymore. People don't care about them as much, so I decided to get back into cars, and I brought out one of the first cars that I've ever owned, one of the first full-size cars, and that was the Glamis Uno. Now this thing is nothing like it was when I got it first. It's got a modified motor, it has the same ESC, all the plastic bits have been worn down so far that I've had to replace them. So we brought it back out of retirement. The last time you saw it, it actually had an FPV system on it that didn't work very well. So we're here charging some lipos at Huntley Bowl, and I don't know what this thing is. I think it's some kind of mining thing, and they just made a park out of it. So it's a nice high spot to record RC, so enjoy. Since I haven't RC'd in a while, my lipos are a little old. So what we're using today is a Glacier 70C 6000 mAh 2-cell. It's puffed. I don't know how you can see that, but it's puffed. And then I got a 3-cell 3000 mAh, so we'll see how it goes. Technically, the Glamis Uno is 8th scale. I'd love to put some 8th scale equipment in it, but this is as much battery as the battery tray can hold. But here we go. So we got the battery in. Got the 2S battery in it. Castle Creation 3800 kV motor. It does have AVC, which is not turned up very high, but it's just grass. It shouldn't be too bad. I've got it hiked up pretty high in case the grass isn't grass is too long. Oop, it's going downhill already. I'm gonna try to keep it in the shot and keep it focused. I think I might have a hard time keeping track of that little thing. While I was filming that intro, it was sitting on top of the car, taking the heat from the motor. I don't have a fan on the ESC, so it's overheated already. Oops. Okay, wow, it's drastically quieter down here than it was at the top. Up top, we got that plant doing something. This grass is not cut. I think I need a bigger car. Come on, there we go. I don't know if 3S will even help. I'll just be spinning my tires. Get up there. Nope. So let's do what this car is really good at, which is some smoother surfaces. A little 2S action, then we'll throw the 3S in a second. Ooh, that's the first time I ever flipped it. It's even got the aftermarket sway bars. I got the Proline Big Joe Dirt 2 mullet tires, I don't know. Let's try not to hit any curbs, okay? Yeah, let's drive an RC car right next to a big antenna that might cause interference. Cool. Well, let's let this cool off and then throw a 3-cell in it. I threw the Glamis in the trunk real quick to cool down. I forgot I had this in the trunk too. It's my wife's Losi 8 2.0. It started life as the Nitro. There's no pink left to show you, but that was once pink. The RTR Nitro. And we converted it to electric, and I don't know, I might take the electronics out and put it in the Limitless or something like that. I kind of want to get the Limitless now that I realized this chassis is kind of shot. The diffs are messed up, and I don't feel like replacing it. My wife barely drives it anymore, so why not just take the electronics out of it and put something else in it? I'd like to get another Truggy because she made a nice body for it, her My Little Pony themed body, but it's a fun little car. I just don't have the batteries for it right now. Okay, now we got the 3000 mAh 3S in it. This should be fun. Whoa! That's what I meant by wheelies. Here we go, you ready? Walk of shame. There we go. Let's see if we can ride one of these out. Let's see if I can get one going first. Yeah, that was about the longest one I could. Ah. So what's kind of a curse and good about this car is the tie rods are snap-on, not screw-in, so they snap off easily, but when you break them, they just snap back on. So it's actually a nice point of break place that's easily fixable. That was a considerably longer wheelie. Walk of shame again. Yes, it's not a Traxxas X-Max. It does not flip itself back over. Let's set up for some speed runs. Like that. Or the curb there. Now the fastest I've gone with this car, heavily modified with different wheels, is I think 56 miles an hour. And that was with some 2.8 monster truck slicks on it. And boy, the motor got really hot very quickly. It got to about 150 degrees in one run. Let's see if we can do a wheelie on camera. Whee! That was a good shot, I like that one. See if we can do that again. So this thing has been through its paces. It's been a speed car, it's been an off-road car. It's been a slid car, which is what it just did. Okay, let's get a good one. Now that I'm going fast enough, the damn car is staying pretty cool. That was full throttle for a good couple of seconds. You know, some belted tires from Proline might be in the future for this thing. I mean, like, it handles pretty good. It's got a wide turning radius. It just doesn't turn like a 8th scale buggy. Technically, this car is this was labeled as 8th scale, but it's got 10th scale parts in it. I apologize if none of this is in focus. I'm trusting Canon, and Canon's supposed to have good stuff. Just for shits and giggles, we're gonna try this one more time. Whee! Oh, that was bad. I didn't land it. Son of a... Well, that about does it for today. For a 6-year-old car that's been through a lot and well documented on YouTube, it's still did pretty good. Little overheating issues. This car is really just good for snow when I get some paddle tires and stuff like that on it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Help me get over that 1,000 subscriber mark. I really appreciate that. I have another YouTube channel which is well more popular. It's not RC, it's completely different. I'll hide a link in the description because of shame. But if you like it, enjoy it. Have a good day. Bye.